Would like to talk to you about my grandfather, Reverend Eugene Florence, who in 1943, at 39 years of age, began taking seminary classes at Southwest Seminary in Fort Worth, Texas. He faced numerous injustices, like having to take classes in the basement at night, since blacks were not allowed to be seen on campus. He took classes twice a week for 8 years at the seminary's Negro Extension Center site. Because of a race policy, in 1951, he received his diploma in theology, which was not the degree that he earned. Fast forward to 2004. A pastor in the community learned of his story, which caused him to reach out to then president of the Southwest Seminary. In order to make a wrong right, the Southwest Seminary awarded my grandfather his Master's of Divinity at the age of 100.
I always wanted to go to seminary, but I always allowed obstacles to stand in my way, such as money. I don't have my bachelor's degree. I'm older. But I enrolled in the Denver Seminary's lay ministry program. And I remember sitting in the graduation ceremony thinking about Granddaddy's seminary experience. And that just motivated me and made me determined. I am a current seminarian and I'm enrolled in the MDiv program. School's not easy, but I work hard because I'm the granddaughter of the Reverend Eugene Florence and I stand upon his back. He pressed past injustice, racism, humiliation. In my GS 500 class, we viewed a video lecture by Dr. Young, and in that he said something that I'll never forget, and I'm going to paraphrase. He said, "You are not here," meaning seminary, "you are not here for you. You are here for the nation." And so I think about Granddaddy. He wasn't there in that generation, at that time, in that city, in that seminary, in that basement, studying for himself. He was there for the black preachers of his generation. He was there for the black men and women that are in ministry. He was there for you and he was there for me. He took the hit for the nations. Seminary is not cheap. My husband and I pay for our daughter's education. She has her master's degree, and we're also having to pay for my seminary education. I was able to get a scholarship, which is so helpful. And your contributions or donations would be so helpful for someone like me, for black students that are unable to afford this education, so that what Granddaddy did, the hit that he took for us, would not be in vain. So please think about making these donations so future black students can attend seminary.